Guys, how you can add an accordion size chart to your Shopify horizon theme. So that's how the size chart gonna look like when your customers click on this accordion row over here. The size chart gonna be displayed. Okay, so in order to do that, we are gonna first install an application. Let's go to apps.shopify.com, and here I'm gonna search for Boutiqfy. Okay, I'm gonna hit the enter. Now I'm gonna click on Boutiqfy Size Charts Importer, and here I'm gonna click on install. Okay, once I installed the app, I'm gonna skip the get started page, and I'm gonna click directly on the widgets on the left of my screen over here. Okay, once I did it, I am gonna choose over here the size chart embed. I'm gonna click on add embed. Okay, once I click it on add, I am gonna go to the template section, and here on product information, I'm gonna open this section, and in the details block, I am gonna add a new block, and this block gonna be the accordion block. Okay, I'm gonna go here on layout. I'm gonna choose accordion. Once I did it, I also have some settings over here. I'm gonna let mine as it is. And I'm gonna drag and drop the block that I just add with the application. Okay, so here I'm gonna drag it inside my accordion row. I'm gonna actually drop it inside my first accordion row over here. And once I did it, I can actually delete this text over here. And on the accordion row, accordion row block, I can click on it to edit the heading. So here I'm gonna type size chart, and I can also not let the row open by default. So the user must click in order to open this row. Okay, I am gonna save it. And now what I can also do, I can add a new size chart. So if I go back to the size chart application on my Shopify admin dashboard, I can go over here on size charts. I can create a new size chart by clicking on create a new size chart. Here I am gonna click on done. And here I'm gonna add a title, for example, shirt, I don't know. Here I can add the table content. For example, if I click table and click on add content, I can add the table content and fill with my information. So go ahead and fill with your information. I can also choose another size chart styles, can convert centimeters to inks. Gonna let mine as default. And here I can select the product. Okay, so let's say, for example, I choose this 7 chakra bracelet. I can go ahead and click on save now. Let's see if the size chart is gonna be displayed. Okay, I'm gonna open my store over here. I'm gonna search for my product that I just added this size chart. Let's see. That's interesting. The size chart is already displayed. Let's click on it, and the size chart it's already displayed. Okay. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe.